happening after this assassination here in India. The BJP has now highlighted the dangerous repercussions of hate politics and vitriolic comments like Kabr Khudegi and Dande Marenge to make a point that while attacks on political opponents can have catastrophic consequences, in fact, it's a message that the BJP is sending to those who provoke with hateful statements. Listen in to the reaction.
देखिए, जो लोग मोहब्बत की दुकान के नाम पर नफरत के सामान के विक्रेता बनकर किसी व्यक्ति पर और खास करके संवैधानिक पद पर बैठे हुए व्यक्ति के खिलाफ लाठी डंडों से मारने की बात, हिटलर की मौत मरेगा, कब्र खुदेगी, ऐसी बातें करते हैं, ऐसे लोगों को देखना चाहिए कि उनके कृत्यों का और बोले गए शब्दों का क्या परिणाम और अंजाम हो सकता है। जो अमेरिका में हुआ है वो भारत में जो लोग इसी प्रकार से नफरत फैलाने की बात करते हैं और मारने की धमकी देते हैं, उनको इस प्रकार की चीजों से बचना चाहिए।
All right, let me go across to my colleague Pragya, who's joining us with more on this. Pragya, even as this entire assassination hit America, it has, of course, sent its ripple effect across the world. Here in India, the BJP is asking the opposition what sort of, effect that the hateful comments that they make will have on Indian politics, and that is something that the BJP has also said that provocative statements is something that shouldn't be encouraged in this country as far as politics is concerned.
Well, the assassination of Mr. Charlie Kirk is a grim reminder. In fact, this is what we have been always hearing from various political platforms, and the vitriolic effect of that has also been, felt in the society as well. And that is exactly why the BJP is saying that whatever you say from your political platform, despite the ideological differences, whatever there is between the political parties, but that does not mean that you call for violence. And in fact, this we had seen after the clashes broke out in Nepal. Many of the opposition leaders, in fact, warned the government that such a day is not far when such an outbreak can be seen in India. This is also kind of incitement, and in fact, what they are also doing is that because of the ideological differences and kind of language that they use and threats that they issue is also, resonated among their ideological groups and also the ecosystem. And when you make it a movement, then it is very harmful, not for the democracy but for the leadership as well. So this is exactly what the BJP is reminding here of, that whatever you say, it has consequences. All political leaders, in fact those who also hold public offices, if you say something, it will have consequences, because someone can be impacted by it, impressed by it, and can take a step that has a major repercussion, not for just the family of the current leader, but also for the repercussion for the country. So this is also a grim reminder what their threat calls and also the abuses that they hurl at various political leaders, especially Prime Minister Narendra Modi, can do and cannot do. But
Right,
this is also that they should be responsible while making such statements.
That's right. Pragya, thanks very much for joining us at the moment with all those details. Viewers, remember the CPIM has condemned the American political violence as well, saying that disagreement should never lead to bloodshed. But when asked about Rahul Gandhi's Dande Padenge remark, it downplayed it, calling it a general comment and accusing the Prime Minister of deflecting criticism by raising such issues. Listen in to what Hanan Mullah has said.
In America, the different opponent people are fighting each other, killing themselves, all these things. And which was called of the highest seat of democracy. There, for differences, killing people, it is totally wrong things. It should not be allowed.
So, since we condemn what has happened in US, now earlier we have also seen Rahul Gandhi saying Modi ko dande padenge. So do you think that remark should also be condemned, because this is also resorting to certain kind of...
These are general words. Today यह हो गया, हम लोग इतना insensitive हो गया, हर बात को हम तोड़ के देखना चाहते इसमें क्या है. Any opinion against the Modi and Hindutvadi powers, government or leader or minister, they will face this type of attack.
All right, viewers, with that, it's time for a short break. News and updates continue on Times Now.